All right. Trying to hurry across the street so I don't get run over. Thank you.
And action. Yeah.
Wow.
That's very ornate. Let's see what's behind door number 2.
Oh my goodness. Now this is absolutely stunning. Ah. Wow. Look at this. Wow. I still can't get over how beautiful that is. I mean, can you see how they dangle? Wow. And look at the top of it. Wow. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Look, 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 look. Ah.
Yeah, big gold thing over there. And the stairs over here. Go left and come back right.
It was 60 dirham each to come in here. And I tell you what, it was worth every bit of it.
Double chandelier.
This is the room where they have the presidential gifts. Look at that. Wow. But what is amazing to me is look at the carpet. Man, the rug looks so plush. This is just so unique. It's third dimensional. I don't know if you can tell it or not. Wow. That is just too cool.
The dome is lined with 23 karat gold leaf, which gives it a rich burnished sheen. Inside the chandelier, there's a staircase.
You're kidding.
And enough room for one person to carry out maintenance work.
Wow.
And it's made out of hand-cut crystal finial. There's a crowning ornament on the bottom. The chandelier comprises 3 layers, and it's so large that it had to be assembled in the room. The impressive fixture consists of 350,000 crystals, weighs 12 tons, and hangs on a single point. The chandelier is not only remarkable to look at, but serves a practical purpose, absorbing sound in the room.
Wow. And it weighs how much? Did you say 12 tons?
12 tons.
Wow. This is the presidential banquet room and can hold up to 300 guests. And I'm sure there's gold in that chandelier. And that chandelier. Pretty cool in here. Look at there. This is called The Power of Words. Interesting. Yeah, let's go check out what the women's bathroom looks like. Cafeteria in the palace. Look at that view outside, my goodness. Look at the view I have inside. My goodness. Oh, yum. Nothing like a fresh Coca-Cola as your
Coca-Cola Light.
It's time to leave this beautiful presidential palace. We stopped and had a little bit of a snack, but there was a guy dressed up. Well, I guess that's his normal clothing, huh? Anyway, he was serving coffee, and he pours it in the cup for you. And he was telling me if you shake the cup from side to side, that means you're finished. I thought that was very interesting. And I forgot about the word shukran. Means thank you. All right. Now we got about 15 minutes to catch our bus, but we got to catch a bus from here to get back to the gate. And of course, before you do that, you must go through, hello, you have to go through the gift shop. Oh, there's the presidential palace. And here's these little coffee cups. Those are pretty cool. Oh, how cute. Is that chocolate? Yes. Oh my goodness. That's nice. Thank you. And while we're in the gift shop and I'm eyeing chocolate camels, Dan is eyeing drinks. Do you want? You're on what?
Candid camera.
You know, they don't even have a show like that anymore. What happened to the good old days?
I think it's called the world's funniest videos now or something.
They don't have that anymore either.
Well, let's just call it Whirly's Wacky Videos then.
And there you have it.
And that's what we got.
That's right.